Java is used in developing a lot in the digital world, which make it one of the best choice of what to learn when you start your journey in programming. For you to learn Java, you need something called Ide and Jdk, which stand for Integrated Development Environment and Java Development Kit, respectively. Thanks to Netbeans.org, currently their IDE comes along with Java Development Kit. You can simply download the IDE and start our development from there. First of all, open a tab on your browser and from the welcome screen, click on download. Then I'm going to download this LTS 12.0. So I click on this download. Then from here you have the installers here. I'm going to download this Windows x64 installer. Now click on this link to start the download. Okay, click on save to save your file in your directory of choice. After successfully downloading that file, you are going to have an installer like this. So double click or right click and select run as administrator. This is my smart screen notification. Click on run and click on yes, click on next, click on accept, click on next, click on next, install. I'm going to uncheck this, check for updates, click on install. Upon seeing this screen, it means your installation is successful. Click on finish, open your programs, and then you have your IDE here. Click on this. You then have an option of either agreeing with this or disagreeing. Let me click on agree. You have to initiate a project. I'm going to click on file, new project, and inside this new project I'm going to open Java application. Click on next. I'm going to just call this first project, then click on finish, close this start page, click on file and create new file, make it a Java file, select Java main class, click on next, call this main method, pick your package which is comes at Abumuftee first project in my own case, click on finish, write system.out.println, open double braces and put quotations, simply write hello digital Nigeria, put on the execution sign, make sure that this is spelled correctly, click on this to test your project, select main class. That is going to load for a little while to download some necessary files and install them. Okay, so this is our output. After everything downloaded successfully, you see this build success. Another thing you can do is click on this again. Okay, so we have this output hello digital Nigeria, which is from this one here. As soon as you see this build success, it means everything is successful. Thank you very much and see you in our next video.